Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the time and calendar on your i9 Pro Max smartwatch and any other smartwatches using the Laxasfit application. As you can see, the time on my phone and my watch are not matching. The first step is to scan the QR code on your smartwatch or in the manual to make sure your watch is using the Laxasfit application. If your watch is using any other application like Fit Pro, Refine or iWatch, you can find other videos on my channel on how to connect for these smartwatches. Next step, go to your application store and download the Laxasfit application. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your smartphone. Open the application on your smartphone and follow the steps as shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your smartphone. You need to make sure that the watch is charged, turned on, and not connected to any other smartphone before doing these steps. As you can see, the watch has now been connected to the phone and the time on the watch has been updated. Here is a video with 10 possible solutions if you are having problems connecting the watch to your smartphone. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.